what to do if your sear plate looks like this. If you happen to leave your SearPlate Griddle outside and it develops some rust, don't worry. It's not a problem, you can't ruin it. It's very easy to refinish. All you need is paper towel, some oil, and either steel wool or a Scotch-Brite pad. What you do is oil up the sear plate, scrub it with a Scotch-Brite, and then clean it off with your paper towel, and at the end just re-season it. We have a video explaining how to do that. Let me show you how to do it.